Today, we're comparing two of the most powerful DAWs out there, FL Studio and Logic Pro X. Both are packed with features, but which one actually fits your workflow? Let's break down their strengths, weaknesses, and who each one is best for. FL Studio is built for speed and creativity. Its pattern-based workflow and iconic step sequencer make it a favorite for beat makers and electronic music producers. You can bounce between ideas quickly, building tracks from loops with almost zero friction. Its real strength lies in synths, samplers, and sound design tools, such as U-Citrus and Flex, which are perfect for modern electronic production. MIDI editing in FL Studio is top-notch, with a piano roll that many consider the best in any DAW. FL Studio runs smoothly on both Windows and Mac, and one of its biggest perks is lifetime free updates. Pricing varies depending on the edition, from basic to all plugins included, giving you flexibility based on your needs. It's ideal for beat makers, electronic producers, and anyone who wants fast, flexible workflows and creative freedom with MIDI and loops. Logic Pro X is designed for linear recording and professional studio work, making it perfect for musicians, engineers, and composers. Its clean layout is ideal for tracking vocals, live instruments, and scoring. Logic shines with audio manipulation, comping, and flex time, and its stock sounds, software instruments, and drummer feature are incredibly detailed, providing realistic results out of the box. Logic Pro X is Mac only, costing around $200 for a one-time purchase. While it lacks FL Studio's lifetime updates or Windows compatibility, it delivers a complete, professional studio environment. It's best suited for those recording live instruments, mixing vocals, scoring, or anyone who wants an all-in-one DAW with realistic sounds and audio editing tools. Pick FE Red Studio if you're a beat maker, love flexible MIDI workflows, and want fast, loop-based creativity. Choose Logic Pro X if you record live instruments, mix vocals, or want a polished all-in-one studio environment. Both are powerful, but your choice comes down to your workflow and preferred music style.